how to join Multiversus Discord. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to join Multiversus Discord. So all you need to do is simply follow the simple steps. And for that, let's get started. First of all, open up your internet browser or your Google Chrome or any other browser that you use. And once you have opened that, just search for the Multiversus Discord in it. And it would eventually show you the top search of Multiversus Discord, that is from discord.com. And if you open it up, so what you need to do is simply get on, and you see that it will redirect you towards this, and that would say that join Multiversus. And once you tap on join Multiversus, you would automatically be joined to Multiversus, and it says that top things to do here and all the things. It suggests you the Multiversus hub rules, community info, and you can do that here. So I'll simply do that. I'll just look around for now, and once I do that, so it says that you must complete a few more steps before you can talk in this, but eventually I have officially joined the Multiversus Discord. And before that, I want to make sure that once you tap on it, it will require some of the process or some of the authorizations that it will ask you for permissions, and you have to give them. And furthermore, in the end, they will ask you whether you're a robot or a human, and a reCAPTCHA would be done, and afterwards this kind of a screen that is being shown in front of you would appear up stating that you have joined the Multiversus Discord. So this is it, and if you guys really have any questions or queries regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel of How to Digital. With this being said, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can receive notifications about further more awesome videos like this. With this, I conclude. See you in the next video. Peace. Take care.